Smart home technology isn't just for indoors. Outdoor smart devices can enhance security, convenience, and energy efficiency like never before. In this video, we're breaking down the best outdoor smart home devices of 2025 to make your home smarter and safer. ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro, Smart Keyless. Entry for your home. Ditch the keys. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is a weatherproof smart lock that offers 6 different unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, keypad entry, and smartphone control. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for remote unlocking via voice command or app. Built with anti-peep technology and auto-locking features, it provides enhanced security while making entry seamless for your family. Check out the link in the description. Eufy E340 Floodlight Camera, smart security with 360-degree coverage. Looking for advanced home security? The Eufy E340 Floodlight Camera is a high-resolution 360-degree security camera with dual motion-activated LED floodlights. It offers 4K Ultra HD recording, AI-enhanced motion detection, and color night vision to keep your property safe at all times. With local storage and no monthly fees, it's a great alternative to subscription-based security systems. If you want reliable surveillance with powerful floodlights, this is a must-have. Find the best pricing in the description. Govee H70A2 Smart Outdoor Pathway. Lights with customizable colors. Want to enhance your outdoor ambiance with smart lighting? The Govee H70A2 is a set of smart outdoor pathway lights with millions of color options, voice control compatibility, and customizable scenes. Whether you're setting the mood for a backyard party, holiday lighting, or simple pathway illumination, these lights add a stylish and smart touch to your home's exterior. Find the latest pricing in the description. Kasa EP40A Smart Outdoor Plug for ultimate control. Want to control your outdoor lights, holiday decorations, or patio heaters with ease? The Kasa EP40A is a weatherproof, Wi-Fi connected outdoor smart plug that lets you control and schedule devices right from your phone or with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. It has dual outlets, so you can manage multiple devices, and it's designed to withstand rain, snow, and extreme weather. Check the description for the latest deals. Rachio 3, the smartest outdoor irrigation system. Tired of wasting water on overwatering? The Rachio 3 is a Wi-Fi-enabled smart sprinkler controller that helps you save water and lower your bills. It uses real-time weather monitoring to adjust watering schedules based on rain, temperature, and soil moisture levels, ensuring that your lawn gets exactly what it needs. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, this is the ultimate upgrade for smart home irrigation. Check the description for exclusive offers. Whether you need better security, smart lighting, outdoor automation, or water conservation, these smart outdoor devices are must-haves for 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to watch the full video now and check the description for links to all the featured smart devices.